Hello everyone, I am Akib Hassan from Bangladesh and I am going to start my Masters in Ecology program in the campus of Amos under the supervision of Professor Miguel and Professor Giam and Professor Louis Mbeo. Now, let's talk about my thesis. You could have a question that how could a event occurred 10 to 15,000 years ago has anything to do with the present ecosystem? Let me explain. During the last ice age, an ancient riverbed formed below the glacier, which is now called esker. Now, these esker provide crucial resources in all northern countries and are considered one of the most important ecosystem economically and ecologically. In MRC Abitibi, eskers provide drinking water and important sites for outdoor activities. However, this ecosystem is particularly vulnerable to human pressure such as mining and logging practices. There is a huge knowledge gap about the biodiversity and functioning of eskers. This project aims to study waterbirds and their invertebrate resources, as they are both excellent biological indicators to evaluate the health of aquatic ecosystems because of their sensitivity to disturbance. Benthic microinvertebrates communities will be characterized as they represent important feeding resources for waterbirds and are important ecological indicator of the lake health. The experimental design includes 50 lakes over the territory of MRC Abitibi, including lakes situated on eskers and more typical boreal lakes situated on the clay belt. The observational points and flash count method will be applied to identify the birds communities, and stable isotope analysis will permit to characterize the aquatic food web structure and links to the waterbird community. This project will permit to characterize for the first time the unique biodiversity associated to esker lakes and evaluate the state of health of those ecosystems. Last summer, two species of dragonfly, namely amberwing spreadwing and Aurora damsel, were discovered for the first time in Abitibi. Now we are waiting for more discoveries. Thank you for watching.